Good morning, class 5th. We were reading chapter 6, Dignity of Labor, in which we have seen domestic help, fun time, dignity of labor, and now we have to read the last part of dignity of labor. So students, open page number 30 in your EBS book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. Now I am going to read. In many European countries and the United States of America, students earn their pocket money by doing part-time jobs. They are treated with respect and admired for their hard work. Here you have to underline admire means appreciate. Okay, I can't underline this word, but you can. So underline this word admire, admired. So we have seen that in many European countries and the United States of America, students earn their pocket money by working at certain times of the day. Such children are given respect there and their hard work is praised. It develops a sense of responsibility in them and they realize the value of money. So by doing this, a feeling of responsiveness arises in their mind and they understand the value of money. Now fact and. In earlier times, people like sweepers who did the so-called menial task were called untouchables. They were not treated with dignity and respect. So here you have to underline menial means servant. So we have seen that in olden times, people who used to do cleaning work were considered servant or menial and untouchable and did not get any respect of their work at that time. Now Ria wants to know, discuss how you would treat a classmate whose father is a peon in your school. So you can discuss it in your class or with your classmates, that how you would treat a classmate whose father is a peon in your school. Now read and reflect. Let's revise the whole chapter. We have seen that people are dependent on each other for many things. We have learned that any job done to earn money is called occupation. We have seen that there are many people who help us at home: sweeper, washerman, maid servant, milkman and newspaper boy are some of them. And we have understood that respect for any type of work and the person who does it is called dignity of labor. We have understood that many social reformers have worked very hard to promote dignity of labor. We have seen that Mahatma Gandhi strongly believed in dignity of labor and opposed discrimination against people on the basis of work. And we have understood that in many European countries and the United States of America, students earn money for doing part-time jobs. So students, that's all for today. In the next class, we will see exercise time. So thank you, class.